If you missed the detailed unboxing, drop test and scratch test fail of the flagship Poco F4 5G or Xiaomi Redmi K40S, to watch it, press the link in the description, I button on the right or the end screen. In this video, we are going to focus on the IP53 liquid damage test and the build quality of the dual glass sandwich design via the bend test. So let's start with fun stuff with value, the bend test. The Poco F4 did feel sturdy in my usual trial bend, and we definitely expect it not to fail the build quality test since Poco has the strongest record on the channel. There is a bit of flex near the volume rockers under the camera unit. The back seems to come out slightly but manages to hold on for now. Things look much better and less dangerous from the second backside bend, locking out early. Under Xiaomi, the Poco brand has the most durable build quality yet to fail on a channel. The Poco F4 5G too does manage to hold up the brand's image as expected. Also, it has never failed a water test till date, at least for all the many Poco models which we have tested on the channel. We can expect good things to happen and not failure in terms of accidental liquid damage resistance, and should have a higher chance of survival due to the presence of official IP53 certification. One of the most important things to note is audio distortion from the negative effects of initial liquid damage. Thankfully, nothing of that sort has taken place. The audio is fine until now, and the oleophobic layer is in place as expected. One of the areas where budget BBK devices and Realme consistently cost cuts, which is why we are already at the light splashing round. There are some devices which have in fact failed to even cross the initial rounds from audio issues. No such audio issues as yet on the Poco F4 5G, further confirming the presence of IP53 rating. If you are new on the channel, the light splashing round has been the reason for the permanent damage of devices because of motherboard failure, but it seems the F4 is going to easily smooth sail into the heavy drenching round. The low distorted audio issue is still missing at this stage of liquid abuse. The stereo speakers are able to handle the water abuses as of now. Also, we are not seeing other temporary liquid issues common on other devices such as headphone icon issue, camera lens fogging, or temporary black screen issue, among other things. We are positively hoping, because of the IP rating and the great record of Poco, that the AMOLED display does not get permanently damaged by heavy smashing as we have seen in the past. So has the Poco F4 5G maintained its excellent build quality record with zero fails? As you can see, no apparent liquid damages, hardware or software related, is visible to the naked eye. The Poco F4 does awesome in a liquid resistance test.